Yan, hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much po for making time for tonight. Siyempre, of course, to my GMA family. Of course, to the entertainment group, of course, headed by Miss Cheryl Chingsi. And to my Pulang Araw team, of course, nandyan po si Miss Edlin, tsaka si Ate Celine. Thank you. At sa mga minamahal po naming creatives ng GMA, thank you po for coming. And of course, to my Mowel fan family po na nandito ngayon. Pres Reyes, Miss Ems, thank you po. Maraming salamat po for making time tonight. And yun, I think ilan po sa inyo first time po mapapanood yung pelikula.